How to redeem your Apple gift card or App Store and iTunes gift card. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to redeem a gift card with your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Vision Pro, here are the steps that you need to follow. First of all, you need to find the 16-digit code on the back of your card. For some gift cards, you might need to peel or gently scratch off the label to see the code. After that, open the App Store app and at the top of the screen, tap the Sign In button or profile on your photo. Then tap on Redeem Gift Card or Code. If you do not see the redeem card or gift code, sign in with your Apple ID. Then tap Use Camera and follow the instruction on the screen. If you are having trouble redeeming the card, then you can tap Enter Code manually and then follow the instruction on the screen. And this way, at the last you can tap on Redeem to get it back. If you are in United States, when you redeem a gift card to your Apple account balance, the balance might appear in the wallet as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.